Hello amazing friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious jollof rice using simple ingredients. So if this is something you are interested in, kindly watch to the end and let me know what you think in the comments section. Let's get right into the video. I have my oil on fire. This oil was used to fry some meat. Then I'll add some chopped onions to it and let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste. I'll mix it very well and allow it to fry well until it no longer has the sour taste in it. Now our tomatoes is well fried, so I'll stir it. Then I'll go ahead and add my blended onions, ginger, garlic and pepper. So I'll add this to it and stir and allow it to continue cooking. After about 15 minutes, I'll stir the stew and I'll go ahead and add my onga seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Then I'll also add salt to taste. At this point, it's time for me to add the mackerel to the stew, so I'll go ahead and add the mackerel and then add some curry powder. You can add any other spices that you have, but I'll be using the curry powder. So if you have rosemary, anise seed, you can go ahead and add that as well. So after adding the curry powder, I will allow this to cook until it is time for us to go in with our rice. So that would take about 10 to 15 minutes. So at this point, our stew is ready for us to add the rice, but before that I'll go ahead and stir it to make sure that it doesn't get burnt. Then after that I'll add my washed rice. Make sure you wash your rice very well, then go ahead and add it to the stew. After adding my rice, I'll stir this very well to make sure the rice in the stew is well mixed. Then I'll add some hot water to it. So it is preferable to use hot water because it helps to hasten the process. I'll add some hot water and then I'll mix it very well, adjust the salt and then allow this to cook until it is ready. So I'll stir the rice from time to time to make sure it doesn't get burnt. I'll stir it and cover it and allow it to continue cooking until it is ready. And at this point, our jollof rice is ready. It looks so yummy and it also tasted delicious. If you want it to be very dry, you can still allow it to continue cooking, but at this point this is okay for me. So this is basically how to prepare mackerel jollof rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment below.